Here's something interesting about watercolor that you don't see in a lot of other media: the existence of white space and how it brings life to each image that you're working on. For example, here's a winter scene in upstate New York, and in this winter scene, you can see that white space has been left. You can see it on the rooftop. You can see it in the area where the field would be. It's a great, lively kind of thing. Because of the clouds, you need to have white space in this one as well. Here's another image of a scene, a water wheel in New England, and you can see how effective the white space is here as you look at the roof and as you look at certain highlights found only where you would have some kind of a highlight. And when we talk about still life or we talk about floral images, you have to have white space because there are flowers that are white. Notice how nicely they're framed with blue around them to make them stand out. But you don't really want any paint where these white flowers are. It's very important to leave some areas in watercolor perfectly white. And here's one of our preparatory sketches printed out using the computer. And you can see where the clouds have been left white. They were easily made using rubber cement before you applied any paint. Rubber cement or any liquid masking medium is an important part of your watercolor experience. What the white space does is bring a lot more life to the image than, let's say, a watercolor where you don't have white space. And in this particular painting, while it's a very nicely painted image, more white highlights would have been better. And even though white was applied with a paintbrush, it isn't as effective as brilliant white that could be left using some kind of a liquid masking fluid.